From Sharad. See, of course, the market is little bit volatile, but yes, I thought no, because of BJP win, NDA win, I think the market will go up, but it is not going up as such more. But no, I think overall, if you see, there are few pockets. I think banks and NBFC is quite doing well. No, they are hitting all time high. If you see bank index also now, and NBFC is also doing well. The results which came, no, there I think see much more favorable results were there. And of course, if you talk about no affordable housing or you talk about consumer finance, there I can see a good shoot up. Even if you talk about banks also I think PSU banks are quite doing well compared to the private banks. So in NBFC I think L&T Finance and no LIC Housing Finance, that one can think. Even Muthoot Finance I think that is also doing quite well. You see gold loan. So I think financial sector more than there in that banks and NBFC doing well. Selective FMCG stocks like no you can say the Tata Consumer and all that, I think one can watch about it. Also, if you talk about capital goods, I think they are came down a lot. I think ABB or Hitachi, one can think about it because it's now coming at a value level. So yes, few pockets one can look at it. Defense is a flavor. So defense also even if you see some of the results were quite good. So yes, defense is also another counter one can look at. नमस्कार दोस्तों, होप आपको सेशन अच्छा लग रहा है। अगर आप चाहते हो कि हम भी आपको हेल्प करें स्टॉक सिलेक्शन में, तो आप हमारी सर्विस ले सकते हैं। हम एक सेबी रजिस्टर्ड रिसर्च एनालिस्ट है और आप www.catapan.in ये वेबसाइट में जाके देखिएगा। यहाँ हमने सब कुछ दिया हुआ है। अगर आप देखें तो एक पोर्टफोलियो बिल्डर कॉम्बो है जहाँ हम लोग इक्विटी, म्यूचुअल फंड, ETF, IPO, SME IPO, बॉन्ड्स रिकमेंडेशन, बाय सेल रिकमेंडेशन, वीकली सेशंस होते हैं जो आपको हेल्प करते हैं आपका पूरा पोर्टफोलियो स्ट्रक्चर और प्रॉपर डायरेक्शन में, प्लस पोर्टफोलियो रिव्यू भी होता है। तो आप जरूर जाके देखिएगा। इवन आपको सिर्फ इक्विटी का चाहिए तो इक्विटी का भी पोर्टफोलियो अवेलेबल है। जो आप सिर्फ इक्विटी का चाहिए तो बेटर है आप एक बार जाके देखिए और समझिए। प्लस गाइज, अगर आप चाहते हो कि आप हमारा नेक्स्ट सेशन अटेंड करें ऐसे सेक्टर रिकमेंडेशन और इवन स्टॉक पिकिंग एक्सरसाइज, तो हम उसकी भी लिंक दे देंगे। वो क्लिक करके नेक्स्ट सेशन अटेंड कीजिएगा। चलिए, डू सब्सक्राइब फॉर द नेक्स्ट वेबिनार। थैंक यू।
Tapan, Marico, I know this has been your bullish bet earlier when last time we spoke. Do you still have that thesis on for this, Marico?
No, I'm quite bullish here, Sharad, because if you see the results is also okay compared to other FMCG companies. They are struggling with the single digit volume growth. Even I think from here also I think mid single digit volume recovery will be there from here. Rural distribution is expansion is good. Even Saffola Foods growth is in double digits. So that is what driving somewhat you can say the margins also. So premium portfolio they are bringing and they are doing quite well. Even digital portfolio is also slowly and gradually going up. So I think overall they are expanding into Bangladesh, MENA and other regions also. See, and if you see the gross margin, that is also stable. So I think from here also I think this company may do well. I can see the consumption boost for next 2 quarters also. So yes, this is one of my topic. I think this will remain as a topic.
Like for this garment space, and any preferred pick there?
You see here, as you told, this whole segment is struggling a lot, and one of the other reason is the trade war, India and US. That deal is still not happening. That is also hurting because the export is not happening, and that is where the margin pressure and also the revenue hit is getting. If you see maybe these 3-4 months will be quite tough for most of the export oriented textile businesses, and that is where one has to be keep in mind that we have to see what type of impact we are getting here. Of course, government is supporting in one way or another way to credit and all that, but that is not going to repair their profitability as such. So I think one has to be little bit careful here. But yes, talking about any preferable pick, I think dollar is also looking quite exciting the way you told, and also if you see the valuation is quite compelling now. And slowly and gradually they are at a what sort of value peak. So yes, that is one take you can take it. I think there if you want to have a little bit position in SIP when one can invest. But yes, overall textile sector I think it's better to avoid currently and wait for the trade deal to happen and then take a call.
Today, Tapan, any view on this particular counter?
See, if you talk about all these three stocks, now we know that PGElectro and Voltas, no, it's a cyclical business. And last time also management told that they had a good amount of inventory. Even PGElectro told almost 2000 crores. And still they are not able to clear it out. Even Voltas is facing the same issue. I think this quarter, October to December, will be the decider for both these companies, even Blue Star, how the things will be pan out from here. Hopefully this quarter may be good and next quarter I think things will be better. But both the stocks are available at a good valuation, so one can look at it and slowly and gradually build the position, thinking about that things will be better by next quarter. Talking about Rubicon Research, of course, a very strong numbers and they are doing quite well. And if you see the even the guidance and all that is quite good. The problem is the valuation is quite too high. So at this valuation, I will not enter it. I think maybe 10, 15, 15, 20% down. I think one can look at it, but otherwise a good company for a long term. Jubilant Food is my topic in this segment, because they are been doing well in last few quarters. If you see the same store growth is also quite good, and even they are going to expansion through through efficiency and all that. Also premiumization in new products they are going to bring it. Strong brand is there, and that's why it is helping them. Again, the margins, now it is getting stable. Earlier there were some issue, plus inflation is down. That is going to help them to improve the margins from here. And if you see the consumption story, I think that is what is displaying here. Because of the GST cut plus the income tax benefits what they are getting everyone. So I think yes, Jubilant Food is a stock which may do well even this October to December, the festival season. It may do well for the next quarter also. So yes, this is a pick for me. I think if here or at a little bit or dip also one can buy. स्टॉक सिलेक्शन में तो आप हमारी सर्विस ले सकते हैं. हम एक सेबी रजिस्टर्ड रिसर्च एनालिस्ट है, और आप www.caTapan.in ये वेबसाइट में जाके देखिएगा. यहाँ हमने सब कुछ दिया हुआ है. अगर आप देखें तो एक पोर्टफोलियो बिल्डर कॉम्बो है जहाँ हम लोग इक्विटी, म्यूचुअल फंड, ईटीएफ, आईपीओ, एसएमई आईपीओ, बॉन्ड्स रिकमेंडेशन, बाय सेल रिकमेंडेशन, वीकली सेशंस होते हैं जो आपको हेल्प करते हैं आपका पूरा पोर्टफोलियो स्ट्रक्चर और प्रॉपर डायरेक्शन में, प्लस पोर्टफोलियो रिव्यू भी होता है. तो आप जरूर जाके देखिएगा. इवन आपको सिर्फ इक्विटी का चाहिए तो इक्विटी का भी पोर्टफोलियो अवेलेबल है. जो आप सिर्फ इक्विटी का चाहिए तो बेटर है आप एक बार जाके देखिए और समझिए. प्लस गाइज, अगर आप चाहते हो कि आप हमारा नेक्स्ट सेशन अटेंड करें ऐसे सेक्टर रिकमेंडेशन और इवन स्टॉक पिकिंग एक्सरसाइज, तो हम उसकी भी लिंक दे देंगे. वो क्लिक करके नेक्स्ट सेशन अटेंड कीजिएगा. चले, डू सब्सक्राइब फॉर द नेक्स्ट वेबिनार. थैंक यू.